my channel. So how are you guys? And my name is Bhavna and I talk about makeup, skincare, DIY, product reviews, vlogs, fashion, beauty and whatnot. So guys, as you can see, I'm wearing a blazer and I'm also sporting this cute neck piece, layered neck piece. I'm going to keep the link below of this earring and the layered neck piece below, so that just in case if you really like this accessory, just feel free to click the link and buy for yourself. So my video is all about formal footwear. I do know that a lot of you are not going to the office, but some of you are, and I would be sharing my personal picks for some formal footwear which I have recently ordered, and I'm really loving them, and the colors and everything are just too good. And I have ordered more of black because black you should have. It's like such a versatile color. You can sport it with any formal attire. And yes, you need different variety of black with you. So yes, I definitely ordered more of black and less of other shades. So yes, now let me just quickly share first the video of it as to which all footwear I would be talking about later along with the price. So yes, just have a look at it, and if just in case if you really like it, then continue watching my video till the end so that you can also grab for yourself. These are super good, super nice and very comfortable, and you're going to love it. They are super trendy as well. So yes, continue watching.
What is real and fabricated? What is wrong? What is my problem? How can I get out of this world that I created? Fighting the storms in my head. Don't know where I have been. I'm alone, no one to turn to, no one understands. Shit's too complicated. Away, and I feel like I am someone else. Away, and I feel like I don't know myself, no. Away, and I feel like I don't know my name. And I don't want to live this way. I don't wanna keep on wasting a life. I'm drowning in my head, I'm losing my mind. And if you could know, yeah, if I could show you, I don't wanna keep on living this life so faceless.
Unknown Brain, Marvin Divine, and we back. Can't nobody tell me nothing. Made it through the rain, I turn nothing into something. No more dealing with their assumptions, cause I do what I gotta do and I know, can't nobody do it like me. All they do is judge me for who I might be. Maybe if they took some time to pick my mind, they see that I'm cooler than lemons and iced tea. All I wanna do is live it up with the homies. Everybody really talking as if they know me, but I guess I gotta face it. I'm so tired of being faceless.
I don't wanna keep on wasting a life. I'm drowning in my head, I'm losing my mind. And if you could know, yeah, if I could show you, I don't wanna keep on living this life so faceless.
So guys, as you have seen, as you could see, I did buy a lot of formal footwear, and yes, if you're liking it, then please continue watching now. Now I will be sharing the details of each and every footwear and show you, up close and front, so that you can definitely buy if you really like it. I am now opening my order history, so let me now just talk in detail about the footwears. Supremely gorgeous footwears, you guys. It's like I really love them. I really loved them. So let me just quickly start with the black ones first, because black is like must have in your closet. The first black footwear that I want to talk about is this Dressberry footwear, and it's a very good footwear. The look is like too good. It opens up the the top part of the feet way too much, so it gives a very elongated look to your feet. And also this covering is just a small part of it. It's not fully covering your feet, so that's what I really liked about it, because I wanted, some footwear wherein my feet also shows off a little. So yes, it's really good. It's a flat footwear and it's super comfortable. The MRP of this footwear is $16.99. I got it in almost around 800 during sale. So whenever you find this footwear on sale, you can definitely grab it. It has a little sheen to it, so yes, it's really nice. It was looking definitely good, and to add some variation, you can definitely add into your closet. My next footwear is this shoe type footwear. It's such a versatile black footwear, because it goes with almost anything. You can sport it with your formal or informal. You can wear this with your dress, your pants, your skirt, your whatsoever. I mean, and it's super comfortable. It entirely covers your feet and it's super good. The leather and everything, it is slightly cushioned also from within, so this is also really nice. And yes, it has this, I think, 1 inch of heel, which is like decent. It's not too much of a heel. It's supremely comfortable. You can sport these with your denims also, and put a blazer on top. You're good to go. So yes, these are also super nice. The MRP of this footwear, okay, I took off the tag. Also guys, my shoe size is 39 or UK 6, but in this footwear, because it's a little narrow from the top, I ordered one size bigger, so I ordered 40. And yes, just in case if you're wondering, then you can also order one bigger size. I think that would be a complete fit, because you can wear a socks. It's not going to tighten a lot because it's highly narrow. So it was completely narrow actually. This entire thing is covered. So yes, it's good that you buy a bigger size. Brand of the shoes is Her by Invictus. It's a very good brand. I definitely checked out other pair of shoes as well. They were really good and very nice. So yes, you can definitely try them out when they are on discount. This product is around 1,999, almost 2,000, and I got it in almost 1,000 rupees. So yes, this is really nice. These Alan Solly shoes, and it has a 3-inch heel, but yes, this 3-inch heel is not going to affect you too much, because the shoes are entirely comfortable. It covers half of your feet, so this is really nice. It has a snakeskin appearance, so this is really nice. I love this band thing on top, and yes, it's completely sturdy and very good. The MRP of this shoes is 2,100. I got it in around 1,200, 1,300. So yes, these are also super nice shoes. The texture and everything is super bang on. These shoes also you can sport it with your pants, your dresses, your skirts, whatsoever. So these are very versatile. So yes. So guys, my fourth formal footwear are these mules, which are like super good. These are slip-on, and I'm just loving them. This is from Must & Harbor, and look at the heel. The heel is like this, which gives another different vibe to it. Also the buckle is very classy. Look, it's purely of leather and it's super nice, super comfortable on the go footwear. You can just super nice. I really loved it. It's a very different pattern of a black footwear. The price of this is around 2,900, and I got them in around 1,600 or 1,700 on discount. So you can also look for discounts. I'm going to keep the link of every product in the order of the video below, so that you can check it out. So the first footwear's link would be the first one, the second footwear's link would be the second one. So hassle free for you. So yes, this is how it is. It's super nice. You can see. Guys, I've showed you my 4 black footwear, which were the formal ones. Those footwear as well, which I ordered and still in the box. I was not sure whether I'm going to keep it or not. So rest of the footwears, I've thrown all the boxes. I think I have just 1 or 2 boxes which I will throw, because they were taking a lot of space. But for this, I was not sure, so I kept the box till now, and the footwear is also inside. But yes, I am thinking that I'm going to keep these. These are like standard footwear, and you can wear it anywhere. So yes, I'm kind of then liking it, that okay fine, this is not going to harm me anyways. So yes, it's by the brand Roadster. So yes, I'm kind of liking it, because it's completely flat and you can wear it for your casual thing, or on your casual weekdays that you have on for your office, weekend, Friday, casual day, or whatsoever. You can wear then. So yes, I'm going to keep them now, and because the quality is good. And the MRP of this product is around 1600 and I got it in like 800-900. So yes, it's kind of really good. It is strappy and everything, so I'm going to keep them. So yes, I'm keeping these. So yes, in total I have 5 black footwear. Let's add some color now. In colored formal footwear, I have around 3 pairs and all of them I really like it because these are like pastel or tan shades. So the first footwear that I would talk about is this. It's a grey colored footwear and the grey color is also really nice. It has sheen here and then it's dull all over here, and then the buckle and everything is also good. So buckle and all is also good. This is by the brand Mustang Harbor. It has cushioning inside. If you can see, it has a lot of cushioning and I just found it really comfortable wearing it. And the sole is like this, such a trendy sole, you know. Yeah, so yeah, it is really nice. The MRP of this product is 3000 and I got it in like 1600-1700. So yes, I really like these footwear. These are super comfortable, and I think for formal wear you need something that you can walk with and they don't, you know, create troubles for you or your feet. So yes, you need something really nice. So I'm really guys, my second last footwear has to be these tan colored footwear. The heel is way too much, but yes, it's good, you know. Sometimes you can wear in formal wear, or if you're good with carrying heels, then for you it's not a trouble. But yeah, the heel is really not a pencil heel, so it's like kind of comfortable, and I really like the strappy thing and the tan color. And yes, this is also by Mustang Harbor. The price of this footwear is 2300 and I got it in 1300-1400. So yes, I really like this footwear as well. This is really nice. You can definitely try it out. It was like, okay, I was comfortable walking it. So yes, regularly I don't wear heels, but yes, I was comfortable walking it. So yes, these are also really nice. You can use with your formal attire or your casual wear. So yes, you can. They are really nice. You can definitely try them. You should actually. It's a tan color is also must have when it comes to your formal wear. So guys, yes. And my last and final footwear of this haul are these beige colored, you know, cute, super comfortable bang-on ballerinas. So these are really nice, and the texture and everything, it's leather and the texture and everything is super nice. Very comfortable, trust you me, these were like super comfortable. Heel is of 1 inch, so yes, it is super comfortable, and this color also goes with a lot of attires, be it dark or light. So yes, I thought to, you know, try this. And also see, the buckle and everything is also very chic and classy, and the MRP of these is 2500 and I got it in 1300-1400. So yes, these are also super nice. You can definitely try them out. I'm going to keep every footwear linked below so that you can buy them if you want them. So guys, these were my formal footwears, and yes, I am just so glad and happy to have them, and yes, I'm just can't wait to wear them now. So yes, in case if you buy some of these footwears, then do let me know in the comment section below. That would really mean a lot to me, that I was like, you know, I could help you out with this, that you can buy some footwear for yourself. So yes, please do mention that. And if you like my content, then please do like, share and subscribe. That would mean a lot to me. And yes, thank you for watching my video, and stay tuned for many more other good videos. And yes, thank you for spending time with me. I will see you next time. Until then, goodbye.